Hey everyone, it's me, Lady V, with your next sew project. This is a sweetheart mini dress with adjustable straps. As you can see, we have our pieces down here ready to be sewn together. We have our ruffle skirt with a waistband and our 2 bodices and about 4 straps. Now we have our sewing equipment, sewing scissors, thread, and here's the actual pattern. We call it a sweetheart because it literally looks like a heart. So you sew it on the top around the straps, and then you're going to turn it inside out, and it'll give you that nice look that you want. Then we're going to attach the waistband to the actual sweetheart top itself. So let's get to sewing. And here's the final reveal. I feel like it's very pretty. Next time I'll probably do different color straps. But as you can see, it's a mini, so it's above the knee. Be great with a little tutu underneath it or some little boy shorts. Now check out the spin, because that's what little girls love to do. Alright, thank you for watching. See you in our next sew project. Bye!